na ya konsem foforo emu a na adwumakwa ya pa no memu se wonhwe mmosia konsem so Ghana Education Service no wochemu a Fijai Senior High School no opanyina wono no headmaster eye Kenneth Agbomaje opanyini wasiwati school mu hono na wagigi school fees abra embra no ema ne ho kwan ni senti no wo mate abadwakọ ehwem na nsa na no opanyin fa na adwuma ento
Ghana Education Service Eden Krata Beto Montino so wonum HM say Kenneth Agbomaje a woye headmaster woda Fijai Senior High School ano enimanimu ya wonum aginidibre efri ne nsem a woye nhwehwemu nyina agina se ofa akwanbone so agi fees bi ewo school mu hono sese wonum ahye se Western Regional Director of Education yan wo be hwechiri se headmaster ewo school mu hono afi ya bedwoku a watie se won hwehwe wura no ensem nimu no ama wonum na wotwe mienu se won fa wonum report emeto empanyinfo anim Cassandra Chumampofo a woye head Public Relations Unit and anensa ehye sankrate yase
Yeguswe na Ghana Education Service wonum akache na Director-General de Ghana Education Service na watu omanfo bi ya wonu wo ye adwuma no se wonum enko eye Ghana Secondary School ye no ewotamale nkohwe na wada video ba abonten a na adisuafo ne bi kasa se biaye a wose wogya wonan honum na ese mpanimfo adano no biaye a wonum da no woso wonko no nko hwesa ensem ni mu hwesa anya bia nkwada na jana bia honum no en woda ana so se eye bosrem kase
Deputy Director ya washa management services so e Ghana Education Service 7 kwako wusu ena nempanimfo ekọ Ghanasco ya womo ekọhwe se kasafonyini bi ya na nenam aba for 10 times so se adesuafo yi woniema esisi ajanan bia so won woda no eye no kora na woko no etifedo mantemu soafo Alhaji Shani Alhassan Shaibu enempanimfo bi ya school no ano enedi na chi okọhwe de ekọ so ho wiye no oni Adom Kasee twetwe enkomo
video circulating in the media regarding the management of this school. I'm talking about Ghanasco putting students in the toilet or on a toilet. And we decided that the regional director should come down here to find out the truth of the report. We have received a bit of reports, and therefore we decided to come from GES headquarters to find things for ourselves in a way to corroborate with whatever the report is in the media or otherwise. So that is why I'm here. I'm here detailed by the Director-General of Ghana Education Service to come to the school to find out how the situation is so that management can make the final decision on this. So that is why I'm here. What I can say now is that because I was sent by a Director-General, it will be proper I get back to him and submit my report to him. So if it becomes very necessary for us to engage the media again, we will let you know what is happening. Actually, there is no way that we can hide whatever facts that we have from the media because it's already in the media. So we will get back to you